Alright, so we're going to look at today standard form of linear equation. The standard form is ax plus by equals c. When we're comparing two different items here, we use this standard form. So the general form that we're used to is y equals mx plus b. It all depends on the type of word problem we're given. So the one thing we want to do here, well, first we want to read it. Concert tickets cost $15 for general admission, but only $9 with a student ID. Ticket sales total $4,500. Write an equation that models this situation. Then they ask how many student tickets were sold if 150 general admission tickets were sold. So one thing I want to do is I want to highlight useful information here. $15 for general admission, $9 with a student ID, and ticket sales total $4,500. And later on we'll talk about 150 general admission tickets. So off to the side, I'm going to use my variables here. I'm going to define each of my 5 variables. Y equals and C equals. A times X, B times Y. So A and X have to be associated with each other. B and Y have to be associated with each other. So A is going to be cost of the general admission, which in this case we have is $15. Since I'm multiplying it by X, X has to be something associated with general admission, in this case, number of general admission tickets. In the beginning part, I wouldn't sub this in, but here we do have 150 subbed in there. Since A is cost, that means B has to be some sort of cost. In this case, this is cost of a student ticket, which we see here is $9. And Y is going to be number of student tickets, which we don't know, that's our unknown. And the total here was C, in which case is $4,500. Okay, so our equation, if I'm subbing in to AX plus BY equals C, 15x plus 9y equals 4,500 is the equation, and I'm subbing in 150 for x. So my question says to solve for number of student tickets. So what I would do here first, if I want to solve for y, I would multiply 15 and 150 to get 2,250 plus 9y equals 4,500. And now I'm going to solve for y, so I would first subtract 2,250 from both sides, giving me 9y equals 2,250. And my last step is to divide by 9, leaving me y equals 250. The last part of a word problem is, I should say in a statement or sentence, 250 student tickets were sold. Okay, so we could associate the 250 with something in context with the problem. So hopefully this helps you guys, and thanks a lot.